Welcome to the video, friends. To fix USB not showing problem, just right click on start bar and choose disk management. After that, go to your USB drive. Okay, you should know the exact size. Right click on it and next. Here you can change the letter of your USB drive. I choose K, you can choose anyone. Then next, don't change any setting, click next and then finish. Here guys, your computer will ask you certain commands. As you are watching that, it is reading your USB, the computer. Now if he asks you about formatting, then format your disk, just format your flash, and after that close this window and then go to computer and check about your USB flash, and the result is very positive. Your USB flash is shown now, as you can watch here. I hope you like the video guys. Please share with friends to solve the problems of others. Thanks.